question of this exercise is, which of the following are APs? Find D, it means common difference, and write 3 terms more. It means there are 2 parts in this question. First we will find the given series is an AP or not, and if that given series is an AP, then we will find the common difference and next 3 terms. Student, let's start. First you have to check the given series is an AP or not. Here first term is your 2. Now we will find common difference. For common difference we will subtract first term from the second term, we will get 2. Again here we will find 8 minus 4, what we will get? Suppose student, this one is your first term, this one is your second term, third term and fourth term. Here first we will find, as we know, D equal A2 minus A1, we will get 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. Then again D equal A3 minus 2. If this given series is an AP, it means when we subtract the second term from third term, we will get the same answer 2. Let's see, 8 minus 4, what we will get? We will get 4. As you can see from these 2 numbers also, student, in both the cases your common difference is different. So the given series is not an AP, because there is a necessary condition for an AP, common difference should be same. Okay, so what we will write? Given series not an AP. Let's simplify second one. Second question is student 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Let's check the given series is an AP or not. Here again this one is your A1, A2, A3 and A4. First we will find A2 minus A1. Let's see what we will get. 5 by 2 minus 2. Again this one is your fraction part, this one is your whole part. First we will take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. Then we will cross multiply. Here denominator is 2 and LCM is also 2. So we will write numerator as it is, minus 5, 2 2s are 4. And what we will get? 1 upon 2. Now we will find A3 minus A2. A3, the value of A3 is 3 minus the value of A2 is 5 by 2. Again, for simplifying this, we will take LCM. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 as it is, because denominator is 2 here, and what we will get? We will get 1 upon 2. As you can see here, student, in both the condition D is same. Let's find A4 minus A3 also, to confirm the given series is AP or not. Okay, here fourth term is your 7 upon 2 minus 3. LCM will be again 2. 7 minus 3 2s are 6 equals to 1 upon 2. As you can see here, student, in each and every case the common difference value is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So the given series is an AP. What we will write? Given series is an AP. Similarly, we will simplify all the questions. Fifth part of this question is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. We have to check. Again here this A1, A2, A3 and A4. First we will find A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus the value of A1 is here 3. As you can see here, student, this minus 3 cancel with this plus 3 and we will get square root 2. Let's find out A3 minus A2. Here A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2. The value of A2 is 3 plus root 2. There are 2 terms, so we will use here bracket. 3 plus 2 root 2. Why we are using here bracket? Because just before this bracket, what sign is there? Yes, minus sign is there. So we will use bracket. See, 3 plus 2 root 2. Now we will open this bracket. 3 plus minus minus root 2. Be careful at the time of opening bracket, student, because danger sign, it means minus sign is there. Now this plus 3 cancel with this minus 3, and what will remain? 2 root 2 minus root 2. As you can see here, student, here with root 2 there is a whole number 2, and here in second part with root 2 there is no number, it means 1 is there. So what we will get? 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, we will get 1 root 2. But no need to write this 1, we will write only root 2. As you can see here, student, here when we subtract this a2 minus a1, then only we find the same value, root 2. And when we subtract this a3 minus a2, then only we find root 2. It means the given series is an AP. Similarly, you can subtract this a4 minus a3 also. You will again get the same value. Seventh question is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. Here first term is 0, second term is minus 4, third term is minus 8 and fourth term is minus 12. So first we will find a2 minus a1. Here the value of a2 is minus 4 minus 1. a1, the value of a1 is 0 here. So we will get minus 4 minus 0, we will get minus 4. Then we will find a3 minus a2. Here the value of a3 is minus 8 minus a2. The value of a2 is negative, so we will use here bracket, within bracket minus 4. Then we will simplify this, minus minus plus 4 plus minus minus. What we will get? We will get minus 4. As you can see here, both the values are same. Similarly, we can find a4 minus a3 also. Here minus 12 minus, within bracket minus 8. Open the bracket. 8. Student, so many students are making mistakes while doing calculation. So be careful at the time of calculation. Always plus minus will be minus, but at the time of putting sign, you have to put sign just before the bigger number. Okay, plus minus minus, what you will get? Again you will get minus 4. In all these three cases, your common difference is same, so the given series is an AP. Let's simplify 11th question also. A square, a cube, a to the power 4. Here first term is a, second term is a square, third term is a cube and fourth term is a to the power 4. Okay. Then what we will find? a2 minus a1. a2, the value of a2 is a square minus a. Student, here we cannot calculate these two terms because these two terms are unlike terms. Here the exponent of a is 2 and here the exponent of a is 1. So we cannot simplify this again. So let's simplify this. a3 minus a2 also. a3, the value of a3 is a cube minus a square. Again we cannot simplify this because degrees are different. Both are unlike terms. As you can see here, student, in both the condition, your common difference are not same. So this one is not an AP. Question number 12 is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Student, by just looking this question, you cannot say the given series is an AP or not. First we will simplify this, then we will check this one is an AP or not. First we will convert this into simplest form. Let's see how we can convert this. Here first term is root 2, which is already in simplest form. Second term is your root 8. We can convert it into simplest form. For that we will first find we will take the prime factorization this of 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now we will make, since we have to find the square root, so we will make the group of 2 terms, and what will remain? 2 root 2, because this 2 is left. So within root 2 what will come? 2. Okay. So the value of this square root 8 will be 2 root 2. And the third term is your root 18. Similarly, we will simplify this 18 also. Prime factorization of 18, 3. First we will divide this by 2. 2 9s are 18, then 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. As you can see here student, the 3 is in group, is in pair, but there is no number for grouping for this 2. So root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 in the simplest form. Okay student, now we will find this fourth term. Here fourth term is your root 32. Let's simplify this 32 also. Prime factorization of 32. 2 1s are 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Now we will make groups of two terms. As you know how we can find square root. So student, how many pairs we will get? We will get 2 pairs of 2. It means 2 2s are 4 root 2. So this root 32 can be written as 4 root 2. Student, so first we will convert this square root values in the simplest form. Then we will check the given series is an AP or not. So now we will find the common difference. A2 minus A1. Here the value of A2 is, simplest form we will write 2 root 2 and the value of A1 is root 2. What we will get? 2 root 2 minus root 2. What we will get? Root 2. Then next we will find A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is 3 root 2 and the value of A2 is 2 root 2. Again 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, what we will get? Root 2. Both the values are same. Again we will find A4 minus A3. Here the value of A4 is 4 root 2 and the value of A3 is 3 root 2. What we will get? Again we will get root 2. It means all these in 3 cases common difference are same. So the given series is an AP. Last question of this exercise is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. We have to again check the given series is an AP or not. Student, since this question is in the form of exponent, so first we will simplify this exponent. 1 square, it means 1 into 1. What we will get? 1 1s are 1. 5 square, it means 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 7 square, it means 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. And 73 already is in simplest form. So now we will get this series without exponent form. This one is your first term, this one is your second term, third term and fourth term. Now we will find A2 minus A1, 25 minus 1, 25 minus 1, what we will get? We will get 24. Then we will find A3 minus A2, it means A3, 49 minus 25, what we will get? Again we will get 24. And then A4 minus A3, it means 73 minus 49. What we will get student? Again we will get 24. It means in all these cases your common difference is same. So the given series is an AP. What can you learn from this question student? By just looking, you cannot say the given series is an AP or not. First we will simplify that, then we will find the common difference all these cases, and then we will check the if common difference are same, in that case given series is an AP, otherwise not. Thank you students.